We'll guide you through how to change the device you're sharing the location from on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason, you're wanting to change the device you're sharing your location from. So perhaps you've got multiple different devices on your Apple ID account. So this means when you go and start sharing a location with somebody, it can only go and use one of the device's location. And so maybe you've got a work phone, a personal one, and you want to go and start using the other one. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So make sure this full guide and you can then go and have your location shared from a different device. So to go and get started, you need to come onto the device that you want to go and start sharing the location from. So at the moment, because I've got two iPhones, I'm on the iPhone that I want to start sharing my location from. It's this device here. So there are different places you can go and change this setting. So make sure it's full video and we'll cover them in case one option isn't working for you. So what you want to do is go and open up the settings app like so. Now in here, you need to go and scroll down and you're looking for the option for privacy and security. Come into here. And in here, you then want to go and find the option for location services at the top. Come into here. And then what you need to do is go and find the option share my location. At the top, you need to go and have location services turned on the device as well, by the way. Otherwise, you won't see it. Then tap there. Now, as you can see here, you want to go and make sure you can switch on use this iPhone as my location. So you can go and tap that there and it will start using this device. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can come out of settings and you can go and do it in the Find My app. Open it up in the bottom right, you can go and press me, and then you can go and find the option use this iPhone as my location.